welcome back to the channel. So today we got a few things I need to handle. First thing first, I got my coffee already, so I started my day with my dunks. Now I'm going to the bank to deposit a check, and then I am going to be working on the two Blazers today. Well, that's the plan at least. Last night I put out a post asking which Blazer I should save, the black one or the tan Peweter one. So today we're going to work on both of them and kind of do a little bit of an inspection, hopefully. But we'll see which one has a little bit more potential than the other and which one I ultimately end up going with. So I'm going to take care of some stuff at the bank, and then we will get to work, and I will kind of show you what I'm doing over there. So here we are working on the two Blazers in the background. Today we are working on the water pumps, and so far I have gotten the water pumps removed. So there is the old fan, the pulley, the idler pulley, and the water pump and belt off of one. You can see the water pump is out. So water pump, I need to clean the surfaces where the water pump mounts. I removed this pulley, idler pulley, just to make it easier to get to the hoses and everything. It's one bolt, so I figured it's easier enough to do. So this one is all ready to go. I'm just gonna clean it up with a new water pump. This one here is the old parts off of this one, the old water pump. See if you can zoom in and see that. Alright, and so here is this one. So as you can see, I still need to go in and clean up both the surfaces, but the water pump's out. And you can see over here that the battery tray is completely rotted out, and there is a hole through the inner fender. So this is the black one. We'll see what happens to it. I'm going to keep working, and I will show you when the job is complete. Hopefully I can get it done today. Maybe not fill back up the system, but at least get both water pumps on, all the accessories and everything ready to go. And there is the Fiera that some people want to see. Currently very dirty, but these are my projects. Alright, so we got the water pump installed on both Blazers. Just need to reinstall all the accessories. This is the AutoZone Duralast new water pump. I just put the hose clamps back on there, and then all the accessories, belts, pulleys, stuff like that. And then we'll walk over to the black Blazer. And this one is the Cardone Select remanufactured or new water pump, I'm not sure. Cardone Select water pump though. You can see one's black, one's looks like it may be coated, or it may just be steel cast. Yeah, that's the black Blazer. So I'm gonna get all the accessories put back on, and it's gonna be good to go. So 2 days ago, you guys saw the last footage of me working on this. I ended up getting it all back together that day, but because I used the gaskets that came with the water pumps, as well as some silicone sealant on the gaskets, I wanted to make sure that it had its full 24 hours to cure, as the directions say. So I let it all sit for 24 hours, and then yesterday it was raining. Wasn't planning on working on the vehicle, but there was I was out of the house and the rain had stopped, so I decided to come by here, work on them, and was able to fill them up, test them. And I didn't have the camera with me, so the vehicles are back together now, fully back together. And as you can see, everything is in place. The coolant systems have been filled back up. They've been tested, got them up to temperature, and no leaks. At least not coolant leaks. So you can see this one is back together. The fan shroud got destroyed on this one. The fan contacted the shroud and broke it before I even did the water pump, so that is back together, but obviously broken. Still no battery in this one, but you can see that the everything is back together in there. Also missing intake piping right now, but that'll be figured out later. One thing I did figure out when I was testing this one is that I have a fuel leak under the rear somewhere. So that is the next thing for me to tackle. But as far as the water pumps, these are both good to go now. I can run them and do some more testing to see what they need. This one I had to figure out some light issues. Low beams don't work. One taillight bulb needs to be replaced. So I gotta figure out the headlights, figure out the taillight, figure out the fuel leak, and then we'll move forward to working on the rust and some of the other issues with these vehicles, and we'll go from there. So just wanted to give you guys an update as to where the vehicles are. They're ready for further testing to figure out what else they need to be put back on the road. So